Hi, Chef Dan here. And with summer readily coming upon us, I thought it'd be really fun to make some Baja Fish Tacos. I feel that's one of the perfect summer dishes, so follow along, here we go. Baja style cooking is all about fresh ingredients and big flavor, clean seasonings, high heat, and letting the fish speak for itself. I'm using the JennAir Induction Cooktop, and I'm gonna actually shallow pan fry my halibut. So I'm gonna dredge them in flour and egg, get a nice light crust on the outside, put them in my pan at about 350 degrees for the oil, and I'm gonna get it nice and crispy and crunchy. As you can see, it's got this, we're gonna get developing a really nice browning on our seasoning. The fish is gonna stay moist, and we also season the flour, so we're gonna have a big punch of flavor there too. I love the controllability with induction. I can set it at, I want my oil at 375, and I can pretty much leave it at that temperature, and it's gonna maintain that. And if I need a little punch of power, it's gonna react really quickly. So now it's simple from here. We're gonna have a nice slaw. We use Napa cabbage. We're using a little Baja crema and some warm tortillas and avocados, of course, a little lime for our fish, and simple, light, balanced flavors. And there you have it. With the help of our induction top from JennAir, Baja Night with Halibut Tacos is ready to go. I hope you enjoyed it. Try it at home. Thanks so much. Have a good night.